Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good day to Prof. Madya Dr. Suraya binti Muhammad Tahir, my beloved lecturer. Today I'm going to present about how to manufacturing nail using powder metallurgy methods. Okay. First, we need to understand what is meant by powder metallurgy. Powder metallurgy is a process technology in which parts are produced by compacting and sintering metallic and or non-metallic powder without passing through the mortar stage. This is main step in powder metallurgy method. First, the powder and additive will be blend or mixed. The powder then will be compact and the lubricant that we use will be removed. After the compaction, we will sinter the powder to make it more strength and give it a more mechanical properties advantage, and then we can do a finishing processes and gut our part. So how nails are currently manufactured? Most nails are made of steel, but aluminium, copper, brass, bronze, stainless steel, nickel, silver, manganese, zinc and iron are also can be used. Nails are made from coil of metal wire. The wire is fed into nail making machine. The nail may then be further twisted or formed, cleaned, finished and packaged. You can see from the video. From the video we see that the coil wire are being measured so that it follow the size of the nail. Then wire will be fed into the machine. The machine will make the point tips of the nail. Meanwhile, it cuts one by one of the wire rod. After that, the flat head will be machined by applying pressure on the top of the nail. The shape of the head will follow the die shape.
Nail heads are formed at a rate of 1,400 per minute. The manufacturing of the nails is now finished. Next comes the packaging. These nails are sold embedded in plastic rolls. This machine inserts 167 nails into each roll. The plastic strip has teeth and the nails hook into these.
Now that we know how nails are made, so now is how to manufacture nail using powder metallurgy process. There are four steps that we will discuss, which is the powder selection, forming or compaction method, design the mold and tool, post sinter and other further process. And next we will discuss about the advantage and the disadvantage of the both process. Okay, first, powder selection. For this project, we will use stainless steel since it will provide better mechanical properties. Iron powder and chromium powder are used in this process to create stainless steel nail. Both powder are measured with proper ratio with iron base and minimum 11% of chromium powder, but other element also can be added to improve the mechanical properties of the nail. So this is the example of how we make the powder. The iron powder, we can create the iron powder from water atomization process, and meanwhile we can create the chromium using electrolytic process. Then we will mix the powder to be forming and compact in the next method. Okay. Next is forming and compaction method. The nail powder will be compacted to become a solid part. There are many parts of compaction method, but in this process we are going to doing a powder injection molding method, which is MIM. Why? Because it is more suitable and can give more advantage to the product manufacturing, such as large quantities production, better mechanical properties and good dimension tolerance. Some processes such as pressing are more expensive and slower. Meanwhile, some processes such as isothermal are very expensive so it is not convenient to manufacturing nail. So for me, it's better to use powder injection molding method in this compaction method. Next, so this is a step in MIM, which first the powder will be inserted into the injection molding machine to become a raw product. The raw product will be cleaned and the binder will be removed from the raw product, and this product is now called green body. At last, the green body will be sintered to give it a better mechanical strength, and then the final product is achieved. This is the design of the mold that I create. The mold is designed nail with rod design with head at the top and sharp tip at the bottom. Some type of nail need to be threaded, but this process will be done during finishing because the size of thread is very small that the die in powder metallurgy can be done. This is to avoid small thread part can become less dense than other part, thus can make it weak and not sweet as fastener. It also has cavity where the powder will be inserted and compacted using powder injection molding method. Since MIM does give some good control, thus the nail die design can be precisely as we want. The material for the die is carbide dies because it can be used up to millions of parts. And last is post-sintering or other further process. So for this nail, we can improve the product by post-process such as steam trimming, machining, and also plating. Let me explain. Steam treatment process involves exposing ferrous part to superheated system at about 500 degrees Celsius, leading to formation of a layer on all surface. This will improve the density of the surface layer, therefore improve compressible strength and increase the resistance to atmospheric corrosion. This process is followed by dipping in oil, further increase the corrosion resistance. Nails come in different size and shape, and in polypropylene, sometimes there are certain limit to the geometry imposed by the use of rigid dies. Therefore, sometimes in a machining process, nail with thread can be made by using threading process after sintering process. Other than that, we can do is plating. Plating or coating describes surface covering where the metal is deposited on a conductive surface. This process is used to decorate object for corrosion inhibition, to improve solderability, to harden, to improve wearability, to reduce friction, to improve penetration, to alter conductivity, for radiation shielding, and for other purposes. We saw that the powder metallurgy method can give a lot of advantage to the material. But what is the disadvantage? So now we're gonna discuss about advantage and disadvantage of using powder metallurgy process over the currently used manufacturing method of nail. For the current method, the rate in manufacturing is much higher than powder metallurgy method. It is cheaper and more simple. Meanwhile, for powder metallurgy method, the rate is fast, but it's not as fast as the current method. It's a very expensive process, a complex process which have many steps than what we have learned from the current method, and also but it have excellent mechanical properties. So from this we can make a conclusion. Both advantage and disadvantage of different manufacturing process must be considered before manufacturing any product. All this depend on the objective of the product, and usually both advantage and disadvantage of the process choose must be more advantage or at least balanced. Since the objective for nail are being made as fastener, that is much as high strength, better mechanical properties, and also must be balanced with cost of manufacturing with product rate. So we can see that obviously currently used manufacturing method give the best method manufacturing nail. Even though nail that are made through powder metallurgy process have better mechanical properties, are the best fastener if the objective does not care about the price, since the price is way too expensive. That's all from me. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Assalamualaikum.